In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to fix the common and frustrating issue where Steam can't find your installed games. We have all been there, where you open your library ready to play, but instead of a play button, you see an install button, even though the data is still sitting right there on your hard drive. This can happen after a fresh Windows installation, a drive letter change, or even a random software glitch. Trying to re-download hundreds of gigabytes is a nightmare, but luckily, there is a simple way to point Steam back to the correct files without needing to download anything again. This method is the fastest way to get back into your gaming session by manually reconnecting your library folders. If this video helps you get your games back online, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, as it really helps the channel grow. Alright, let's get started with the fix. First, you need to open the Steam application on your desktop. Once the interface is loaded up, look toward the very top left corner of the screen where it says Steam, and click on it to open the drop-down menu. From there, go down and click on Settings. This will open a new window containing all of your account and software preferences. On the left-hand sidebar of this settings window, you will see a list of categories. Look for the one labeled Storage and click on it. This section shows you every drive currently registered with Steam and how much space your games are taking up. If you don't see your games listed here, it means Steam has lost the path to that specific library folder. To fix this, look at the top where your drives are listed and click on the plus icon or the Add Drive button. A new window will pop up asking you to select a location. You need to browse your computer and navigate specifically to the folder where your games are actually installed. This is usually the Steam Apps or Steam Library folder on your secondary or external hard drive. Once you have navigated to and selected the correct folder, click Open or Select Folder to confirm. Steam will then scan that directory and recognize the existing game files. Once the folder has been added, you may already see some games appearing in the list, but to ensure everything is synced correctly, you need to restart Steam. Close the application entirely, making sure it is not just minimized to the taskbar, and then relaunch it. After the restart, go ahead and click on your Library tab at the top of the screen. You should now see that all of your previously missing games have appeared again, with the blue play button active instead of the install option. If any specific game still looks like it needs an update, just hit play, and Steam will quickly verify the files and realize they are already there. And that is it. You have successfully fixed the issue where Steam could not find your installed games, and saved yourself from hours of unnecessary downloading. If this video helped you out today, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more quick and easy tech guides. If you have any questions or ran into any issues, leave a comment down below, and I will do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.